Hello there, my name is Shyanne Quinn, and I want to talk about my three top character strengths. One being love, which its virtue is humanity. Two, spirituality, which its virtue is transcendence. And three, teamwork, which its virtue is justice. I have chosen these three character strengths not only for the fact that they are my top three, but they do truly represent me in every way. They help me keep me and what I stand for. I value everyone and everything that comes in and out of my life. Even though that person or animal has caused me harm, I would give my own shirt off my back for that person, or my meal to that animal, which it really truly ties into my beliefs. I believe everything has a purpose, a soul. When you pull wings off a fly or break a branch off a tree, do they not feel that pain? Yes, they do. They have feelings just like everyone else. They have a purpose in this world as well. As our circle of life goes, it's like a team. You have to have some type of care and belief to function as a team. Maybe that's a good reason why I work so well with my peers, that I have learned to come and know and love. I truly believe that these character strengths are me, Cheyenne. I really can't say that I am shocked out of this outcome and test, as a lot of my friends do tell me I wear my heart on my sleeve. To be a wildlife conservationist, you have to have that type and care and love for this world and the things within it, to hold the belief of making the world better, to see it through. That's what it means to have love, spirituality, and teamwork.